Sprinkle this on your white clothes. They'll be whiter than ever, no expensive detergent needed. This simple home trick not only brings back brightness, but also refreshes your whites, naturally. Over time, white clothes lose their shine. They turn gray or yellow and start to look worn out, even if they have been washed. But there's an easy way to make them look like new again. Grab a large bowl and carefully pour in boiling water. Add your white clothes and use tongs to fully submerge and soak them. Then sprinkle baking soda over everything. Gently stir to distribute the soda evenly. Let the mixture sit for 30 minutes. The baking soda will start pulling out stains, buildup, and discoloration from the fabric. After 30 minutes, drain the water, rinse off the excess baking soda, and wring out the clothes. Toss them into the washing machine, choose a gentle cycle, add a detergent for whites, and wash as usual. But here's the real secret. Hang the clothes outside, especially on sunny days. Want to boost the whitening effect even more? Pour a bit of lemon juice on the fabric and leave it in the sun for 2 hours. Your clothes will come out fresh, bright, and naturally white. No bleach, no harsh chemicals needed. Your laundry has never smelled this good. The scent will last for days, even a week after taking clothes out of the closet. All you need are a few simple ingredients. Grab a bowl or a small container. Choose a fabric softener with a scent you love. Pour 3 measures into the container. Then add the same amount of water, 3 more measures. Mix the solution thoroughly. Now prepare some soft cloths. For this amount of liquid, take 2 or 3. Cut one in half. Do the same with the second cloth. Place all the cloths in the container, ensuring they're fully soaked. These cloths can be stored for several days. They're perfect for tossing into the washing machine. Add your usual fabric softener to the detergent drawer. During the wash cycle, the clothes will absorb the beautiful scent, and rinsing will only enhance it. These cloths also work great in the dryer. Throw one in with your laundry, and your clothes will smell better than ever. Just load the wet laundry as usual and toss in a soaked cloth. After use, return them to the container, ready for the next wash. You've been washing your pillows wrong your whole life. This mixture will remove all the yellow stains without even using a washing machine. If your pillows are dirty and stained, don't throw them away. After watching this video, they'll look brand new. To get rid of the yellow stains, follow this recipe. Take an empty spray bottle. Add 1 part hydrogen peroxide, then add a clear dishwashing liquid. Finally, fill the rest with water. Now, spray the stained pillow with this mixture. Make sure the yellow spots are completely soaked. Leave the pillow for 5 minutes. To wash the pillows, just place them in the washing machine with your chosen laundry detergent. Pillows should be washed at 40 degrees Celsius. Be sure to follow the recommended temperature on the label. This trick is amazing because after washing, your pillows will be snow white. Your laundry is taking too long. We know the surprising reason. You've probably noticed that the program often lasts longer than what's shown on the display and barely changes. Here's why and what you can do about it. The first possible reason is the valve connected to your washing machine. Check if it's fully open. If it's not, the machine takes longer to fill with water. Another crucial step is to inspect the washing machine filter to ensure it's not clogged, as this affects its performance. Overloading the drum is another common reason for extended washing times. Make sure not to exceed the recommended load. As you might guess, this is a very common issue. When doing laundry, make sure to leave about 1/5 of the drum empty. Also, check your washing machine's load capacity to avoid overloading, which automatically extends the washing process. Another mistake many people make is using too much detergent or fabric softener. Excess suds signal the machine to work longer. Follow the instructions on the detergent label for the correct amount to use. By following these tips, you'll make your washing machine run more efficiently and save yourself time. Sprinkle this on your laundry. Once you see the difference, you'll want to do it every day. Get a bowl and place your laundry inside. Sprinkle 1 tablespoon of salt over it, followed by 1 tablespoon of baking soda. Next, pour in enough hot water to cover the laundry. Let it soak for a few minutes. Salt helps maintain color intensity, which is especially important for colored lingerie. It prevents fading. Baking soda softens fabrics, especially delicate materials like lace. It has antibacterial and antifungal properties, making it a great disinfectant. After soaking, rinse the laundry thoroughly under running water. Dry it in a well-ventilated area, avoiding direct sunlight, which can affect color durability. It's a simple and effective trick. Put socks on an empty bottle. You'll quickly fall in love with this mysterious trick. Prepare a bowl and pour very hot water into it. Put the socks in and leave them for a while. Let them soak. In the meantime, prepare the detergent. Don't pour it into the bowl. Just set it next to it. Now take a plastic bottle. The bottle shouldn't be too big. Slide the bottle into the sock. The wet sock will stretch easily. You can even slide a no-show sock onto such a bottle. Hold the bottle with the sock in one hand and pour laundry detergent over it. Use a soft brush to start scrubbing. It will start to foam quickly. This way, you'll remove dirt and even the most stubborn stains. No washing machine cleans sock fibers this thoroughly. Turns out, an ordinary bottle can handle it. This is an easy way to remove stains, especially on the toes and heel. Then just rinse the socks well, and they'll be like new. Our grandmothers used washboards. You can use a regular bottle and get a similar result. Clean socks like never before. You can confidently wash your shoes in the washing machine without worrying that it will ruin your favorite footwear. You'll save time that you used to spend cleaning shoes by hand. I'll show you step by step how to do it so your shoes stay clean and well maintained. First, take a plastic bag, roll it up, and put it in the washing machine. This will prevent your shoes from banging against the drum. Now grab your favorite dirty shoes and apply toothpaste to them. Don't worry, toothpaste cleans and removes stains perfectly. Next, put the shoes in the washing machine next to the plastic bag. Add a scoop of laundry powder and select a gentle wash cycle. After the cycle is finished, take out the shoes and see how great they look. Leave them to dry, but make sure to dry them away from direct heat sources. This will help them maintain their shape and avoid damage. Now your shoes are clean and ready to wear.